Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL 1257 PM CDT Thursday, September 26, 2024. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Cullman-Moore-Lincoln, including the cities of Red Bay, Huntsville, Cullman, Fayetteville, Town Creek, Muscle Shoals, Russellville, Athens, Decatur, Lynchburg, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Moulton, and Florence. 1257 PM CDT Thursday, September 26, 2024. Wind advisory in effect from 1 a.m. Friday to 1 a.m. CDT Saturday. Watt. Southwest winds 10 to 20 mph with gusts up to 40 mph expected. Where in Alabama, Cullman-Limestone, Madison, Morgan, Colbert-Franklin, AL, Lauderdale, and Lawrence counties. In Tennessee, Lincoln and Moore counties. When from 1 a.m. Friday to 1 a.m. CDT Saturday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution, secure outdoor objects, and